So our next step in this database first project here is to actually create our tables. So to do that, we are going to right click on the project. We're going to go to add, and then we're going to choose new item. Then under SQL Server, we're going to pick tables and views. And then over here in the center, we are looking for table. And then down at the bottom, this is data for Contasso. So our first table is going to be student. We're going to go ahead and hit add. And what you're going to see is kind of an interface similar to Design View in the SQL Server Management Studio. And you'll notice that at the bottom here, we can actually key in our SQL code for creating a table. And since you guys are fairly familiar with that, I did give you the code in the hands-on to copy and paste. Okay, so this should all look really familiar because we had it in the relational database class. Okay, so you'll notice that once we add it down here, it is also added up in the design grid. And so at this point, we'll save our changes. And then we're going to press F5. Okay, so just running a little build here. And once it gets done deploying this, hopefully it says succeeded, we can add our next one. So we're going to right click and we're going to go to add and new item. So basically the same thing, table and views, selecting table. And this one is course. And again, I did provide the code for you because this is something that we spent a semester working on already. And once you've got that in there, we're going to save, and then you're going to deploy pressing F5. And once it shows that the update was complete and it succeeded, we're going to do one more. And this one is enrollment. And we'll copy paste our code. You can see we've got some foreign key constraints here. But again, this should all look fairly familiar to you. Let's save and press F5. So at this point, we have our tables. And these server projects open up like any other project. And then if you need to access any of the tables, you simply double click on them.